Looking for best crypto exchange in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. Today, I'll be showing you my top picks and why they stand out in under 5 minutes. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes.
I'm gonna be talking about is actually BingX. It is a great option for copy trading and seamless trading tools, a smart pick for passive investors. So passive investors are basically people that are not actually trading every single day. They are just doing this and they are not actually like doing it like on a daily basis. They just hop in the site. They just go and, for example, copy trading, or let's say here, for example. So I'm a beginner person. I don't know how to trade. So I just go on bingx.com and I just go on the copy trading page, and I just look here for the comprehensive rankings. So for in the trending traders, for example, here you can actually see the cumulative PNL, the copiers, so how many people they did actually copy, and of course the win ratio. For example, we have here some options that have a great cumulative PNL, and of course high win ratios. So I guess these options are the ones to go for. Of course, the more unknown the person is, or the more risky he is, you need to make sure to choose a good risk based on your capital. Here there is like different risk levels from risk 1, 2, 3 up to, I don't know, I think 10. So make sure to choose the right risk level, make sure to choose the right person, and you can find all of the information are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check them out.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about, of course, BingX. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Bye bye.